In the heart of a bustling city, amidst the towering skyscrapers and the constant hum of urban life, lived a man named Michael. Michael was an ordinary man, leading an ordinary life, working as a data analyst in a large corporation. His days were filled with numbers, spreadsheets, and reports, a monotonous routine that left little room for excitement or passion. One day, while browsing through a bookstore, Michael stumbled upon a book titled The Power of Practice. Intrigued by the title, he picked it up and started reading. The book spoke about the transformative power of consistent practice, how it could turn ordinary individuals into masters of their craft. It highlighted the stories of renowned artists, athletes, and scientists, all of whom had achieved greatness through relentless practice. Michael was deeply inspired by the book's message. He realized that his own life lacked the element of practice, the dedication to honing a skill or pursuing a passion. He decided to change that. Michael decided to take up guitar lessons, a childhood dream he had long put aside. He enrolled in a beginner's class, bought a second-hand guitar, and started practicing diligently. Initially, his fingers fumbled on the strings, producing discordant notes that made him cringe. But he persevered, practicing every day after work, determined to improve. As weeks turned into months, Michael's practice started to show results. His fingers moved more fluidly, the notes becoming clearer and more harmonious. He started learning simple melodies, then chords, and eventually full songs. The once monotonous strumming of his guitar transformed into beautiful melodies that filled his apartment with warmth and joy. Michael's newfound passion for music spilled over into other aspects of his life. He started approaching his work with a renewed enthusiasm, finding creative solutions to problems that had once seemed insurmountable. He became more engaged with his colleagues, sharing his newfound passion for music and inspiring them to pursue their own interests. Michael's transformation was evident to everyone around him. His friends and family noticed a newfound spark in his eyes, a vibrancy that had been missing before. They marveled at his dedication to practice, his commitment to mastering the guitar. One evening, Michael decided to perform at an open mic night at a local cafe. He was nervous, his heart pounding as he took the stage. But as he started playing, his nerves melted away, replaced by the pure joy of creating music. The audience was captivated, their applause echoing through the cafe as he finished his song. Michael's performance at the open mic night was a turning point. He realized that practice had not only made him a better musician, but also a more confident and self-assured individual. It had instilled in him a sense of discipline, a belief in his own abilities to achieve anything he set his mind to. Michael continued to practice, his guitar becoming an inseparable companion. He joined a band, performing at local gigs and even recording an album. His music touched the hearts of many, bringing joy and inspiration to those who listened. Michael's journey had begun with a simple book, a spark that ignited a passion within him. But it was the power of practice that transformed him, turning an ordinary man into a musician, an inspiration to those around him. He had learned that practice was not just about repetition, but about dedication, perseverance, and the pursuit of excellence. It was about the journey of self-discovery, of unlocking one's hidden potential. Michael's story is a testament to the transformative power of practice, a reminder that with consistent effort and dedication, we can all achieve our dreams and make our lives a symphony of passion, purpose, and fulfillment. The story of Michael underscores the simple but profound lesson that consistent practice leads to improvement. When he first started playing the guitar, his fingers fumbled and the notes he produced were far from harmonious. However, through unwavering commitment and daily practice, his skills gradually improved. This demonstrates that no matter how inexperienced we are in the beginning, regular practice can lead to significant progress. It's a reminder that mastery is not born overnight, but through dedication and persistence. Michael's journey is a powerful reminder that we should never abandon our dreams and passions. Sometimes the demands of daily life can push our aspirations to the background. Yet when we stumble upon something that truly excites us, as Michael did with the guitar, it's essential to embrace it. This story encourages us to revisit our long-held dreams and take steps, no matter how small, to pursue what ignites our inner fire. It's a testament to the fact that it's never too late to chase our passions.
If you enjoyed this story and want more tales that teach valuable life lessons while improving your English, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of language enthusiasts here at English Fable Hub. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep enjoying the magic of storytelling with us. Thanks for watching.